Today we will study about the banking system in Pakistan, some of the features of the banking system and the types of banking. The origin of the word bank is from the German word bank or the bench, which have the different meanings. In English, a banker is defined as a person who carries on the business of banking and which is specified as conducting current account for his customer. And current account में क्या आता है कि paying check drawn on him and collecting check for his customers. A bank is an institution which receives deposits and advances loan. Pakistan Banking Ordinance 1962, banking means the accepting for the purpose of lending or investing of deposit of money from the public, repayable in the demand or otherwise and withdrawable by check, draft or otherwise. Mean कि एक ऐसा इदारा according to Pakistan Ordinance 1962 जो कि एक्सेप्ट करता है लोगों की सेविंग्स, उनको कलेक्ट करता है और उसके अलावा फिर उसको लोन पे मुख्तलिफ इदारों और लोगों को प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस। और जब भी वो लोग जिन्होंने डिपॉजिट कराया होता है वो जब डिमांड करते हैं या चेक लेके आते हैं तो उनकी अमाउंट जो सी है उनको देने का पाबंद भी होता है। Earliest form of banking was in these regions, these countries which are the most old civilization or the known civilization of the world, as we know that India, China, Egypt, Mesopotamia and the Greece, Rome, these are the oldest civilizations and the banking start here in these civilizations. Before independence, Reserve Bank of India was the central bank for both Pakistan and the India. And 30th December 1948, British government distributed the reserves of this bank between India and Pakistan as the ratio of the 70% and the 30%. And on the 1st July 1948, State Bank of Pakistan started functioning, and most of the rules and regulations were introduced in 1956. State Bank of Pakistan perform both type of function, traditional function, which are for all the banks, and some non-traditional functions. Traditional functions are the primary functions are the issue of the notes, government bank, monetary policy. These are the primary functions. And the secondary functions are the management of the public debt, management of the foreign exchange, and other functions like advising the government on policy matters and maintaining close relationship with international financial institutions. These are the functions of the State Bank of the Pakistan. Other commercial banks don't have these functions. Non-traditional functions are the development of the financial framework for the country and the overall institutionalization of the saving and the investment. कि जो सेविंग कलेक्ट होती है और जो डिफरेंट लोन और फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस अदर इंस्टीट्यूशन को प्रोवाइड की जाती है, इस सब को मैनेज करना स्टेट बैंक का काम है। प्रोविजन ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटीज टू द बैंकर्स एंड द प्रोविजन ऑफ द क्रेडिट टू द प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर्स। डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द करेक्टर को क्योंकि लोन जो है जो क्रेडिट है उसकी एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट होती है तो उसको डिफरेंट सेक्टर में किस तरह से डिवाइड करना है, इट इज़ अ फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ द पाकिस्तान। Monetary policy, which is also given by the state bank or controlled by the state bank, it is a policy implying the central bank control of the supply of money as an instrument for achieving the objective of general economic policy is the monetary policy. Monetary policy के tools क्या होते हैं? एक rate of interest और दूसरा money supply. These are controlled by the central bank and main objective of the monetary policy is in accordance with the other economic objective of the country. It also used to control the inflation. Rate of interest अगर आप increase करें या money supply को decrease करें तो inflation will decrease. Other objectives related to these objectives of the monetary policy are rapid economic growth, price stability or control of the inflation, exchange rate stability कि आपकी currency बहुत ज़्यादा devalue ना हो जाए या बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी अगर प्राइस इंक्रीज होगी तो इससे आपकी एक्सपोर्ट्स पे नेगेटिव इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है। बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट इक्विलिब्रियम मेन आपकी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज में आपकी जो रिसीव्स हैं वो क्या है और जो आपने पेमेंट्स करनी है वो क्या है और उनका अल्टीमेट एट द एंड बैलेंस क्या है। फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज ओवरऑल द पर्पस ऑफ द economic development. It is also objective of the fiscal policy, but it should also be considered as the objective of monetary policy. Neutrality of the money, that money should be neutral in its role. It should only perform the purpose of the medium of exchange. It should not affect the real value of other variable of the economics, and equal distribution of income. Tools of the monetary policy, there are the following are the two types of the tools that adopt State Bank of the Pakistan: quantitative measure and qualitative measure. These are the tools. Major tools are the money supply and the rate of interest. But to control the commercial banks, State Bank give them that they have to keep this cash reserve ratio. They have to keep the saturated liquidity ratio and open market operation. And the qualitative measures are bank rate, repo rate, and the reserve repo rate. For example, reserve ratio, there is amount which is decided by the central bank that the commercial bank should keep this amount with themselves. Under the central bank, there are different types of the commercial banks. Bank can be classified into the various type on the basis of the function. Central bank is the main bank of any country. And then there are the commercial banks, which perform all type of the basic functions which are related to a bank. Then industrial bank, agricultural bank, exchange bank, saving bank, investment bank, mortgage bank, and microfinance bank. Classification on the basis of ownership: public sector banks, private sector banks, and cooperative banks. Classification on the basis of the domicile, mean domestic bank and the foreign banks working in a country. And classification on the basis of status is scheduled bank and non-scheduled banks. Bank accounts. Bank thrive on 3 accounts based on community and business needs: safety needs, borrowing needs, and debt clearing needs. There are the different types of account in each bank: saving account, current account, and fixed deposit account. Saving account for the people who save money from their monthly income. It can be opened with minimum of 100 rupees, and feature are interest rate, minimum monthly balances. There is a requirement for the minimum monthly balance, unlimited transactions, ATM access, checkbook option. Online banking services are also available, and opening deposit and the balances. Current account, in which you can deposit and withdraw at any time. This account especially maintained for the traders and the businessmen. Its feature are cash or the debit card, direct debits, checkbooks, online or the telephone banking, overdraft facility, interest, and the post office branches are also available for this type of the current account. Fixed deposit amount, this account is maintained for those people who have surplus but no need it in the near future. Profit, term of deposit, period, interest, withdraw from fixed deposit account and the fixed deposit receipts. इसकी स्पेशल बात यह है कि आप इसके लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक पीरियड होता है उससे पहले, मतलब जैसा कि हमने करंट अकाउंट में आप किसी भी टाइम पे कैश डिपॉजिट करा सकते हैं, लेकिन ले सकते हैं, लेकिन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट में देयर शुड बी सम टाइम व्हिच इज फिक्स्ड. Negotiable instruments. Definition of negotiable instrument according to the section 30 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. A negotiable instrument means promises note, bill of exchange, or the check payable either by order or the bearer. Types of the negotiable instruments क्या हैं? Promissory note, bill of exchange, and the check. ये 3 instruments हैं which जो बैंक यूज करते हैं. चेक commonly यूज होता है. bill of exchange या promissory instrument जो से ये बिजनेस या दूसरे इदारों के साथ ज्यादा यूज होते हैं. Promissory note क्या है कि a contract detailing the term of a promise by one party to pay a sum of money to the other party. Parties hire, pay, and endorsers. Feature of the promissory note in writing: clear promise, definite promise, and payable on demand, and the certain amount which is fixed. Promissory note में ये सारे फीचर लिखे होंगे जिसमें एक जो है वो देने वाला होगा, एक लेने वाला होगा, और बैंक जो है it will play its role in between. Bill of exchange, an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker, directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. इसमें भी 3 parties होंगी: dyer, dry, and the pay. Feature of the bill must be in writing, must contain order to pay, and order must be unconditional, and party must be mentioned कि किन दो पार्टीज के दरमियान ये एक्सचेंज हो रहा है. इट शुड बी मेंशन ऑन दैट bill of exchange. Check. It is also a negotiable instrument, a bill of exchange drawn on a specific banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand. जो कि आप एक स्पेसिफिक बैंकर के लिए आप चेक देते हैं तो इसके ऊपर अमाउंट लिखी हुई होती है और इसकी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स होती हैं कि ये जो शख्स लेके आए उसी को आप दे सकते हैं या आप दूसरे के अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. इट मस्ट बी रिटन असाइड बाय ड्रायर, contain unconditional order. It is issued on the specified banker only and amount must be clear. Always payable on demand. There are the four main types of the check: open check, cross check, bearer and order check. Bearer and order checks are the types of the open check. Open check जिसके पास होगा वो लेके जाएगा और वो कैश ले लेगा. लेकिन जो क्रॉस चेक है उसके ऊपर दो लाइनें लगाई जाती हैं जिसका पर्पस ये होता है कि ये आपने उसके ऊपर उसकी समटाइम ये भी लिखा होता है कि सिर्फ फ्लाम बैंक से फ्लाम अकाउंट से फ्लाम अकाउंट में शिफ्ट हो सकेगा. और जो ऑर्डर चेक है उस पर बीरर चेक वाला जो ऑप्शन है वो काट दिया जाता है. तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि सिर्फ किसी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन को जो जिसका नाम मेंशन हो उसको पे किया जा सकता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैश. क्रेडिट क्रिएशन इज आल्सो अ function of the bank. Commercial banks creates is income from the different sources such as cash reserve ratio. इसका फार्मूला क्या है कि amount of reserve divided by the total amount of reserve. जो amount of reserve जो कि बैंक के पास मौजूद होगी, total amount of reserve जितने इस बैंक में डिपॉजिट रखवाए गए हैं, जितनी इसके पास टोटल रिजर्व्स हैं, उनकी जो रेशियो है वो रिजर्व रेशियो कहलाती है. बैंक कैन एडवांसेस द डिमांड लोन्स, टर्म लोन, ओवरड्राफ्ट, कैश क्रेडिट, बिल परचेज एंड बिल डिस्काउंटेड. These are the different types of the loan which are forwarded by the commercial banks. बिल परचेज एंड बिल डिस्काउंटेड जो सा ये बिजनेसमैन के लिए होता है, इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है कि जो फ्यूचर में उन्होंने पेमेंट्स लेनी होती हैं उनके जो बिल होती हैं, जो इनवाइसेस होती हैं, वो बैंक्स के पास रखवा के उनसे आप बिफोर टाइम कैश ले सकते हैं. एक सिचुएशन में आप सिर्फ आप उसका जो ओनरशिप है अपने पास रखते हैं, जबकि दूसरी सिचुएशन में ओनरशिप भी आप ट्रांसफ़र कर देते हैं. तो अगर आपकी 1 लाख अमाउंट है जो कि आपने रिसीव करनी है तो बैंक उसके बदले आपको 95,000 तक पे कर देगा और फ्यूचर में जब आपके पास वो अमाउंट आएगी या आप बैंक को दे देंगे या पहले एक थर्ड पार्टी होगी जो बैंक जो कलेक्ट करके बैंक के ये अमाउंट दे देगी. Islamic banking was introduced in the Zia regime in the Pakistan and it was Islamic Council was formed to convert the banking which was working at that time according to the rules and the regulation of the Islam, and it was based on the Islamic laws. Especially it was that against the riba, which is called the interest, and its main purpose was the economic growth and the socio-economic justice, and it was also built and it was has the feature to facilitate the international trade and the global development. The poverty reduction was also considered. Tools for achievement of the socio-economic objective, zakat distribution, and uses Islamic modes of financing. Riba is prohibited in Islamic banking, the Islamic form of economics. Measures taken for the Islamization were the 1976 8th Amendment in the Constitution and the creation of Islamic Ideology Council was created in 1962, but measures taken included were after the Zia regime, that was the introduction of the zakat June 1980 कि आपकी अमाउंट बैंक में पड़ी है उसको एक साल गुजर गया तो उसके ऊपर बैंक खुद ही जो सा ये कम रमज़ान जो फर्स्ट ऑफ रमज़ान होती है उसकी ज़कात काट ली जाती है. Procedure adopted by bank was declared un-Islamic by the Federal Sharia Court in November 1991 and the State Bank has issued the criteria for establishment of the Islamic banks. A Musharka-based export refinance scheme has been designed by the State Bank. मुशारका का मतलब ये होता है कि जैसे अदर बैंकिंग सिस्टम है उनमें यूजुअली आप जो लॉस होता है उसके हिस्सेदार नहीं होते, लेकिन मुशारका में है कि जितने भी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे होते हैं उसमें तो वो अगर कोई लॉस हो जाए तो सब के सब उसको इक्वली शेयर करते हैं और अगर कोई प्रॉफिट हो तो भी सब उसके इक्वली बेनिफिटेड होते हैं. मीन ये कि इसमें इंटरेस्ट के बजाय आप मुशारका बेस्ड एक्सपोर्ट फाइनेंस स्कीम वाज इंट्रोड्यूस. Islamic banking department was created in the state bank and the Sharia board and Sharia scholars were hired and anti-money laundering measures were also introduced under the Islamic banking. ज़कात एंड उशर वर इंट्रोड्यूस। उशर जो है वो आप ज़मीन पे जो भी आपकी इनकम होती है उसके 10वां हिस्सा जो है उसको कलेक्ट किया जाता है। इट इज़ फॉर द पुअर पीपल एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड द उशर। But there was the problem that enforcement of contract is not effective, inefficient system for the early recovery, inefficient code of conduct for the professionals, and the development of the Sharia compliant government securities. Research and development in the field of the economic finance and the economic banking is very limited, and human resource development and training to the bank staff on Islamic banking and finance was also a problem. Education and the public awareness was limited about the Islamic financial economic system. So these were the types of banking. It was a brief introduction about the banking system in the Pakistan. Next, our topic is about the monetary policy, which we will start tomorrow. You may ask any question